My people, I'm sorry. It's my this assistant this thing that makes the video cut. She's writing me. She's writing me. Eh? Sorry, it's my assistant in the work. She's writing me. She make the video cut. Why girls are so wicked? Why girls are very, very wicked? Why are they very wicked? Okay, I will. It's not good. Please share this to your friends to know the kind of person you are dealing with. Mostly when you are doing something that is most important thing to you, you know the kind of fools that you are dealing with. How can a person do this to somebody? You are there talking nonsense. This is very, 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 very bad. It's very bad. This woman, if not coronavirus, even though she invites you in the wedding or she don't invite you, you need to be there because she's old enough to get married. I'm sorry, all this my colleague them in the office, they are writing me. That's why the video cut. I'm very sorry for those that have joined me. This is what we call evil friend. They will pretend that they love you, but anytime you are doing something good that went wrong, they are the people that is going to publish it for you. You see? She was busy snapping. Gaga. You see? They will be praising you. You will think that you have arrived. They are mocking you. They are mocking you. They don't like you. If they greet everybody, they do the video. They call them, they show faces. Greet their family. You know if you write the person or meet her one-on-one, go meet them. Is it a life that somebody's supposed to live? You see? You see? Mommy, not verse, I beg. Mommy, show me your face. Everybody, she want video, then go put for social media. Wicked human being. She's a very wicked person who do this video. Is a very wicked human being. Okay, mommy, it's fine. That mommy go kill you. Yes. Why are we like this? Who do this to us, Africa, my Nigerian people? Who do this kind of thing to us? Wedding went wrong and you are busy videoing. Show me this one, they will show you. Show me this one, they will show you. You just purposely want to disgrace this woman. If this woman is your sister, is she not old enough to stay in her husband's house? No matter she did the wedding on a coronavirus day. And they will be speaking Bini language. They don't know how to speak English again. It's Bini they will speak. Wait on that go fire all of honor. Before Common will give you a date to come and do your marriage, they have already fixed it. Maybe the population is too much or one thing or the other. They are still working. Commons are working. We go just they pretend like say na in good pass, na in be better person, so that the person they go say na this guy is good. You know good anything. You go just the cocoa people name. Look at just see envy every woman. This kind of thing is good. Is it the right time to do this kind of a thing where your friend or your sister or whatever you call her, she's in this kind of condition? African, before we go wake up for our sleep, they don't dark again. The woman woman herself, she don't know what to do. This is the right time. You console her, you talk to her, you keep that your useless video one place and make everything be okay. Everybody is cursing her on social media. Useless woman. She did wedding on a common day. They know they hear something. Not be common fix this date. I be the one that they with your husband. They don't say that today be their common wedding. Anybody me I do common wedding. Common must give you date of your wedding. Eh? Common will give you date of every country. Common, you have date of your common day. Maybe the population is too much. If this one now auntie or now mama they marry like this, he never married before. The woman, she's happy. It's a happy day, but things went wrong. Eh? Things went wrong. If not be then still don't put ring, but you want to show the world, you say the marriage don't they disgrace them. Eh? What are we gaining in disgracing each other? What are we gaining? Eh? Imagine. My sister, my brother, whenever you are doing anything that is giving you happy, pray very well for this kind of people. Then they not come close to you. Yeah? They have not the paper of their marriage they hold for hand. Yeah? Yeah, they praise them. Now so them be. They go laugh with you for public, for back, they go do you like this. Who post this video will go viral now? Why should you post this video will go viral? Who post this video? This video will go viral now. Who post that? Now my generation now in post that. Yeah? Not the person post this video. Not be there girl poster. Why he post that? Not be she post them to disgrace this innocent woman who won't rest, who won't go into her husband house, because many of them they not go ever marry for their life because of that bad thing where they do for life. You go greet everybody, you go use mouth to rub everybody. The one where they verse me, if they want start it, they go they speak their language Bini. They go say Bini people, Bini people, Bini people. What's it Bini people? Bini are not be Bini. But I don't see any wrong thing because it's those wicked ones. Many of them say, I know many of them, mostly our Igbos, where they speak Bini, where they born there, and then do evil pass. Many tribes where they born for Bini there, and then they do evil pass. If you see majority of Bini people, where then they call Bini, no be really Bini. Now people where they go born for, they be like as you born picking for country where they or Germany or anywhere where they go come they speak that language. The Bini people say if you know they hear their mouth. Eh? No, these witches and wizards, time go reach, everybody they stay for their own country. Not be if you come my language, you go come learn them. Tomorrow if you go do bad thing, he say from my side. I know one man, that one na thief. But when he catch her, he go they chop Yoruba like say tomorrow no day. But no be Yoruba person. Because it was born and brought up in Yoruba land. Eh? Pikin where them born for Italy here. If not be color, you go do something, you go say you be Italy. You know be Italy. Because you know hear your mama dialect. Everywhere Bini. Thunder go fire all of her. Now what did Bini people do on her? Eh? See this woman now where she don't old like this now, she want to marry. Eh? One useless person say he na him being friend, they come bring her on social media, come they advertise them like a Omo Blue detergent. So that everybody go know say marriage don't scatter. I suffer them my own, they enjoy with my husband. One idiot, they go call you, say, what did they do for social media? Say they know they like her. Because you and your husband, they dance. No be my boyfriend. No be by come cover you. Where they keep them for house, they go, they born 12, they born 13, they know they put 1 naira for their head. Now my own person, where I say, now my husband. They go come, they no go ever comment for your for your video one day say, my sister, I like to be like you. They no go comment. So they go come for back, they go advise you how you want to take live your life. My sister and my brothers, you get your life to live. Mostly women now they take this thing. You see all this I got my lizard friend one and they keep close to her where they put pepper soup water for her eye. If you no take time, if you no any relationship where you get with any bagger, let it. That's why I like any country. They get jardino, then get garden, then get where they keep chair for road they sit down. Make una sit down there, discuss, make the person they go there. No carry any idiot to come your house. Because they want to know you, how you are living. They want to see you finish. They want to start from there to insult you. Some if they not tell you, say this soup, you cook it no good, or you go cook am like this. Or they go tell you, say, nah, this your clothes, you know, amend down where you're supposed to shape them like this. Okay. You understand? They will be advising you. Some of them self where they say they na them be your godmother self. That one, their case is different. Na them be another winchi. No go get single mother godmother because where you don't marry. Go say na single mother where you get 4 children. Now you won't be your godmother. My sister, you go there, you go turn to evil mother. If person no go, you no go see. Anyhow relationship where you dey with any girl. Now my fellow girls are they tell this thing because if I never see, I no go tell you. No let any woman, any girl, where you know say you no get level, even though the one we don't marry, make on a relationship end aside. Don't bring them to your house. Don't bring them close to you. They are all evil. I think here they do live video with my husband, they dance. One useless idiot come here, come they write for my platform. They write Mugu. Which kind of nonsense be that? And you say he be my friend. Eh? Because then they jealous. As your husband treat you, not be so my own go treat me. Everybody has their own differences. Some women say, fear no, they let them talk with their husband. They be like slave inside their husband house. They cannot talk to their husband their feelings. Some women say they go feel browse and for Google last where they sit down like this, discuss with their husband, laugh. Eh? Some of them like this, some women like this, they never sit down like this. Their wife, their husband said, put their DP, say this one are my wife for you. Now so una take start on her own. No go the envy person. If that kind of thing they hungry you, my sister, work on your relationship. I never want to talk. Many things now they happen. People will laugh me. Because if I they talk, I always they use myself. I don't know say marriage, they hungry many people. Oh. I don't know. When I they do where they be like say, make we go see how she want to do one. But God help me, I finish everything. Because not be me, they marry myself. I accept the man according to his standard. And I'm happy with it. It gives me joy. Now, many of them now don't leave their husband run where they don't born 3, 4. Some of them say for camp where they before I come out and they don't they sleep with each other. Before the husband go work, come back, a husband don't go sleep with the husband, wife don't go sleep with the wife. Now trade by barter. They here now, they watch me, they know what thing they talk. And if they provoke me, I go begin, they mention their name, mention city where they. Now then they trade now for social media. Say the husband go pregnant with a neighbor wife. He can't be in wife. For this Italy, where would they so? We be say, no be say na person tell me, it's I see with my eye. Now so then they waka like spirit from one room to another. They don't turn to ghost overnight. Know the kind of woman where they carry they come your house. And the men too, may una use something tie on a dick. All these girls, they get sickness. Oh, they get sickness. HIV self for the learn. HIV na ordinary malaria for them. They get sickness for body. They know they stay one place. They know they stay one place. They are dogs. Some girls are dogs. Forget packaging breast. Forget packaging nyash. Some of them are public toilet. As they follow you, so say you get the money, you be banned. My brother, if you no get, they can never stay with you. I don't see that one for my eye. If a woman can only love you when you have something, have it in mind. If you get that woman, you don't have again, or you don't give her what she wants, she must go outside to satisfy herself to get that man. Any woman you marry for money must go after money, because that is her life. Any woman who cannot manage her family, who cannot take herself the way she is, no man can please her. No man can ever please her, because now so they are this thing they do them. Now wait and take passport. They know that wait till tomorrow take, and so every man is good. They like fine boys, already made boys, Gucci boys, boys where they put their waist for nika. You go see that, then they cry. Eh? No girl when one suffer with any man now, nobody. All of that's why if I see them, they don't cut their breasts and their nyashi put for Facebook. The way they screw and they pass, because I don't want to see. I don't know your mission where you go end up like that. We where they Europe here, which phone would they use? Because we understand how our husband is making his money. We cannot do more than our power. Some women self, you see them, their pants don't rot finish for like this 1 year. They never wash pants where they wear for bed. But if they come outside, they go they form. They don't use bleaching or garlic cream to finish themselves. You and them go like that for bed, they smell. Go and look for a woman who don't know what is life, who don't understand the pains of a man, who can sit with you and sit you down and advise you like a brother, not like a husband, not like a boyfriend, who can sit you down and tell you, my brother, this is how you will live your life, who can sit down and advise you and tell you what you will do for your life. And if I suffer with a man finish, I no get time to suffer. What if you leave me tomorrow now? That my suffer don't come waste. Make it waste. Because that thing where they your mind, where they think, now it go come to you. I have never seen a good woman who suffer with a man leave him, leave her. I've never seen a man who suffer with a woman, the man leave. Either you are a money conscious person, or you are a prostitute, or you are a ikanonoche. Some women, you cannot tell them to sit down here, nah, I'm coming, they will sit down. Nah, lie. They will never sit down. I get many. If I never see something from my eye, I know they talk. I get many of them. I know them well. Before I go come talk something, I don't see. That's why if you want to marry any woman, make sure say you meet your sister or anybody that close to you, because it's only your sister or a girl. Some men, they have girlfriend, but not that they're sleeping with that person. Let them monitor that girl. They will give you every account of that girl. Men, you cannot see all. You cannot see all, because we know them. When we sit down and talk to them, we hear the odor of their mouth. We know how they breathe. We know everything about them. Some people, they don't fight their husband, say, hey, then they here, they don't go do something for my head. My husband don't marry, they never marry them. You don't know why that man never put money for your head. No man want nonsense. So my father always tell me that when we are small, my junior wants them. They will tell me to go wash plate. I will vex. I will say, why these small ones, they don't go the washer. My father will tell me, say, because they are men. I say, which kind man? Everybody they eat. Now me go wash plate. And me too, I know they agree. But after everything, I go still go wash them, because now I understand the reason of my father telling me all those things. Man can marry any. You cannot kill man. They know they hold them for hand like this when you want to become your own self, not what they want you to become. No man won't take nonsense from any woman. The man can even be taking nonsense from you. That's why they always leave you people, because he's just staying there. But respect. Treat your man like your son. The way you carry your son, if you go for Gota, you go pick her, you go beat her, you go wear her clothes, you go do like this. Treat your man like that. They call them men. They are mean. That's why you see some girls, they will come to Facebook, they will come and shout to give somebody headache. Have you microscope yourself very well? Some women, they are worse than the coronavirus. Because I'm not judging any man. You will see a woman like this, she will stay. And for long, maybe it's your neighbor for her, so you and your man, they suffer. When you see, say, that man, you won't go bring maybe one 2 euro earring, or you don't they change earring, or you don't change her, you go begin call mama for village. Mama waka for me. Mama waka for me. Now so their mama go waka. Their mama go gone lost. Mama go they waka, you go lost because the woman need to waka. Before you know, say your mama don't lost. Because if they find something where you know be your own. Mama beg you get one brother where I get now. The woman know they agree. I beg waka for me. Why that housewife they there, they pray, they read psalms for your head every day. You go there, they go call you, say your mama where they waka for you, saying don't lose. Then you go come begin the waka again, they find money to bury him. Mona leave relationship, person relationship alone. Yes, I beg. Many women they cry you. Many women they cry you. Anybody where he say the man where I marry now, husband, make it come out to, I go give him more with a peaceful mind. Man where pay my bride price, where wear me wedding gown. Now I know say na him be my husband. I know they put eye for person body. I'm working according to my sight. As I put this one for head now, it no cost. Go buy your own wear. Eye pencil, no, you know, I never see anybody where say buy a pencil for this Europe 100 euro. Ide market. Every pinging, there is a different type of pinging. Every pinging is according to your own size. There is a 13 euro handbag pinging. There is a 100 euro handbag pinging. There is a 1,005 shoe pinging. There is a eye pencil, a 1 euro 50 cent pinging. Ping your pinging the way you will look good. Me, I ping my own the way I know say I can manage myself. I do, and my man say I like it. It's okay. If you have the more than this one, I go put down. If you have more than this one, I go wear them. Everybody want to make it. I want ask on something to make on a no verse. I know say maybe I go come fly for winch now come bite me for night. That house as a woman where they go beat for your papa house, where they draw you to straw like winch. It's good to build house for your husband, for your mother and your parents. Fine if you have the money, but don't put your hand inside bad thing because you want to make them happy. Tomorrow one Asheri Coco man will carry you and put for house everywhere. Don't scatter. The man no go ever enjoy a life again. When a woman don't use him to build 17 flat, my sister, even though he put a tipper there, he go jira turn around, come outside, he go revise 10 times. Let your success as a woman work together with your husband. Pray, no marriage good. Even the one where they here, so sometimes if we start here, you go say, what did they happen? But understanding is in every relationship is understanding. No go look say we don't dance, so we they dance for Facebook, everybody they happy. Hey, I won't get this kind of man. If na me marry this man, you no go fit do anything. No, maybe waiting in they do me, you no go like him. Or with the one why they do him, you no go like him. Everybody getting on for blood, but the only thing na understanding. If I start my mommy water packaging here, you say maybe if they dash you me as a woman to, as a man, you know go fit carry. But if you see me for road, you go admire another person property. You don't know the problem where the man carry for head. You don't know the problem where the woman carry for head. How can person they do wedding? One witches and wizard the Vidora. Evil friend, they make una stay one place. Make una stay one place. Every relationship, every marriage has their rules and regulation. The rules and regulation is what? One, you have to respect the man. You know the issue. Every man need it. Some women you go see say, I beg you forget that thing. You should say as I they call my mama for village, you never call your mama where you use medicine. Hold this man. My sister no be medicine. No. You see this thing now water. When you put them for mouth like this, You go hold out for mouth, you no go talk. He had me before I learn am. You go put her, you know, they talk. Even the man go they think, say, this kind of woman, self, why they do am everything, self, you know, they answer me. You don't know, say, the one way they think, self, he pass corona. When a man, some people are, they see that when man talk one, even they don't package everything where they want talk, they don't keep on down. Remember, say word where you utter for your mouth, you know they go back, you don't speak am. And if me, I they report you to my man, you they report me to my man, you know, say the person no go they like you again. But it's not be say for you staying sick. Somebody when I they do my wedding, oh God, the day they, you know, say they used to announce it, somebody sit close to me. Somebody of 40, they say 45 years old woman. As we come out, now he look me, reach it. I say, now today them begin marry here. This one, he go last. You know, talk and say, me person can't tell me. I hear her. I laugh for my mind. I like that thing where she tell me, where. No be bad word, no advice. As I finish my wedding, I enter house, I begin to delete it. You know, say, how would they celebrate, separate a bakleke rice sand. Now, so I take, they select them, they throw away, they selected away. Because I don't want that thing where it take cost me, make it happen. Everybody they jubilate. I want that woman where you do this wedding now, where then they announce them everywhere. Hey, she go do wedding for coronavirus. That mama, that lady, una know waiting that woman don't pass through. Now come on, give them that date of that wedding. No. It is easy to marry. Some people they marry today. I want talk now, they go say I don't carry their go social media. You go marry this week, next week marriage does. If your marriage don't reach 1 month, do anniversary. You know they easy for this kind of generation where we dey now. Many people say their marriage self, maybe go there road they go, motor don't kill the man or kill the woman, you go here say marriage don't enter. If your marriage is even 1 month old, my sister, kneel down, thank God. Talk less of person say, and na 1 year anniversary, now they chat for Facebook. My sister, why I no go chat? You know we are married. No be my person I marry you. If you want to know whether you be woman, go marry from another different tribe. Come. Now that one where would they call marriage? Because you need to learn the language and if you need to learn the culture. This one not be person where you and they speak the same place, the same word one and they hear. You know they hear you know they hear them. That one now the one will be now that one will be marriage. No be they hear you, they hear me. If we talk anything with person, this one you know they hear you know they hear. You need to learn them. Like as you go travel for your place, come back, you go reach Germany, they go put you for. And my colleague them for work. It's the same message. You know go let me rest. Eh? You see? So na him be the thing. Mind your make I lower my voice. Mind your dick. Mind your dick. Make I mind my own. If your husband tall, you love him, he marry you, put you for house, later your husband no come tall again for your eye, now you sabi. Some married women for this Europe where we dey. Some married women for this Europe where we dey. Now disgrace and shame go they follow on if una know they leave boys alone. Stay with your husband. As they go sleep with another man, they come. And so one day motor go kill you for road. You go die for motor accident there. Or coronavirus go kill you on top of that man. One day. Because it's a disgrace to manhood. And if you see say the man where you dey with, that man, you know they do you what you like. My sister, no go kill that man. Another person brother, another person family. Leave that man alone. No, they go fuck outside, they come back. Now very bad thing. Now very bad thing. Now very bad thing. Another man go stay on top of you. It better you leave that marriage, oh. A man go stay on top of you. You go come back, you go they look man where he say he love. You go give him food, you go eat. Hey! Man where he pay your bride price. Put come shame for your face, put you a wedding gown from top of your body, make you proud. Unless now you marry yourself, unless now you pay your bride price, that one I know they will. But if that man do all those things to you, you could go outside, you go get the mind because of Gucci handbag, because of Gucci watch, because of I want to show them I belong, because of my husband cannot produce this thing for me, I want to look good, and you cannot sew your coat according to your side, you will go and sleep on top of that man. You come back, you dey look that man where you say you love. If he climb on top of you, you go still sit down. My sister, the death will go kill you, go pass coronavirus. And if you be man, you and a girl bring out her mind, her soul, he don't born for you. You won't make her single mother because you need documents, because you get plan, because your family don't tell you, because you won't run that girl down, because you won't make that girl, you won't achieve something from that girl, run away. My brother, that run, you no go feel run. I see they run, they go now. So if motor go kill you, now you go pay government no go pay you. Because for a woman to sit down, work hard, they give you food to eat, they plan on her future for life. He say na bad thing. A woman will be say he get another brothers way go take help because of you. He stay with you. The woman stay with you. He last with you. He fight with you. He make you to become a man. And he get belly for you. He leave that woman run. He look at maybe in breast don't come off for centimeter to decimeter. Now thunder, Oguno they walk again. Now thunder of coronavirus, now go kill you, will be the man. If you don't like the woman, don't let them born for you. Tell her, my sister, na business with day. I need girlfriend for now. Then the person go understand. No go carry person pikin keep for house. He born 1, he born 2, he born 3. Tomorrow you go make her single mother. You go leave her run. Say he wise. You know wise, oh. No woman go ever stay with you for your life. You go be okoko. Now you go be for your life. You can never see peace. Because before a woman go sit down like this, she shit human being 1, shit human being 2, shit human being 3, give you. You never remember say 1 naira go enter in head. You never remember say that woman, if he make him proud to put down with the guy. You never remember, even though you don't have money, respect that woman. That woman is your life. That woman is your mother. My husband always tell me one thing. He will say, honey, I will say, you say just, I know I miss my mother, but you are just like my mother to me. I will laugh. Because if they plan bad against another person, blood, if they plan bad against another person, picking, and you say you be man, you wise, my brother, you know wise anything, no. Not only here you go take the year say your mates they progress, you know go ever progress. And if you be woman, man they do shoro, man they hustle, man they go do everything to make you happy because of one of useless girlfriend where you get, where their husband has, where you don't know whether na your husband they give her Gucci pants when they wear, or a Gucci bra where they wear. You won't follow him, and go they do the things when they do because you go fit stay for you inside car, give you 200 euro, you go fit stand to talk to that man anyhow, you know go feel respect her. My sister, as they waka they go that movement. Now so your blood go they pour for road they go because any woman where say man no go get peace, you no go get peace for in life. And any man where say woman no go get peace, you no go get peace for in life. Until we start to do good things will begin to happen to our life. Don't go and spoil another person's relationship. Don't go and take another person's property. Fight for your own. All those people where you see say they hustle. All those women where they pay 300 euro. Some women, their salary na 300 euro. Some of them, they don't want to do prostitute. Some of them, they want to become a good woman. Some of them, they don't want to follow their rules of their family. Some of them, they want to work hard on their own. I know many ladies, when I know, they are billionaires. They never live life of evil. They are still now searching for a man who they can call their husband. If they give you that kind of woman, what will you use it and do if you are a gentleman, if you are a useless man? You cannot handle them. You cannot handle them. Some women, they cannot stay without work. Even though na 200 euro, they will go to Fabrica, they will suffer, they will buy their wig by themselves, they will take care of themselves because they want to live a good life. If they give you that kind of woman, can you handle it? Some men, they used to do shoroting. They need a woman who can help them stand for life. You will not help them. If they go do that shoroting, finish, come back, carry that money, give you. If you turn back, you go tell and say, Fankulo, this one get sense. Now you will not get sense. Because if you cannot love a man the way he eats and how he gives you things, you can never stay with any man for your life. Any woman that is money conscious always die quick. It's not good. It's a very bad thing. Forget that we are Europe. Forget that they are calling you. I don't know what we are doing there. Forget that is he married, they want to come and marry for Europe because your family must tell you that. Forget that they will tell you that, now wow, forget that thing. You don't know, say you're in Kechi don't build 3 flats. Make them build. If God give you the opportunity and a loving, caring husband or boyfriend who can help you, he build, you build, thank God. But if you don't have, my sister, don't do bad. Not be for the sake of me, for the sake of God. Don't do bad. Don't do bad. Don't stain your hand. Don't do bad. Don't do bad. I have 5 things to say for my lovely men and women for this, my platform. 1, don't fornicate to eat. It's evil. 2, always love that person who loves you, no matter how that person is. Love that person. 3, remove your eye from another person something. You understand? Remove your eye. Somebody laughed to me, say, I don't know why, mostly our Nigerian people, that's why, I don't know. This one no Bibini again, no. This one na Igbo, so na Igbo I dey talk with. I'm from Igbo. Because I don't like to dey against anybody. Understand? So I have small cattle. If they look me, they will look at me, they will say, hey, that this one, she just fine for nothing, not even they wear clothes. Do you know how much is in my account? Many of them have been here for 10-15 years. If they go Nigeria now for hotel, they sleep. They don't even get where to sleep. This is my good 4 years. But I know what I have achieved. Let me read this comment. This person said, my dear, what are you saying? In order. But please, the children you gave birth, the children you gave, they are not your children. You get them to your husband. So a child is not a benefit to you, but to your husband alone. My dear, you woman should stop making this ideology to other women, please. My brother, whatever you are saying, is not my problem. But what I'm saying is that, yes, it happens like that. A woman can make mistake and have a child, maybe in a secondary school age, or maybe in anywhere, is not the biological father of that. But the man, that's what I'm saying here now. You have to tell anybody that you are going out to. Some men are like that. Like when we are coming, I saw many men, they are one of my family member like that. All of us, we are coming. I come before them. She died in the Mediterranean Sea with 9 months pregnancy. Because they were fighting for rescue. People have to match her to death. This person I know very well. I even carried her baby. But now the husband is a single father. Does it mean that man will not get married again? Because of he already have a child? There is different type of single mothers and there is different type of single fathers. Some women too, that you people call your wives, they are giving birth, true, but when you go to DNA test, it's a big problem because you are not the one giving them the pregnancy. Some men, they know that their wife is going outside to get pregnant because they cannot pregnant the woman. Is that why I tell you, say, every marriage have their own rules and regulation. If you started watching me earlier in this video, maybe later you listen it again. Something may happen along the line of your relationship. That does not mean that you will get married and you still become the same person you are. Some women here, they are international hustlers, but whenever they get a man who loves them, you will not hear their mouth. And some men too, they will still marry that kind of a woman. They will still use their mouth and tell everybody, this is my wife, Sef Nashawo. You never know that men gossip. My brother, you never know that men gossip. When you marry the woman, my brother, even though you don't do wedding, even though you don't do this, as far as that woman has given birth to you, go and pay her bride price. That makes you a man. Bride price, I never see bride price cost something that they will keep person. Because if you're hungry as a man, you will go and look for food and eat. Go and pay her bride price. The woman who has given birth to you, go and pay her bride price. Not tomorrow if another man sees her and like her, when you have been with her 15, 16 years, you never pay her bride price. Stay with her and marry her, pay her bride price. Don't come and claim that you are ex-husband or you are ex-boyfriend. Because even you that is talking, you can never allow your sister to be in that condition. You men, you people are very jealous. Because you are waiting a day that your sister will marry, that you will wear that your Sarakus shoe that used to bend like this to come and dance and spray money. That is your priority. That is your joy as a man, that my sister is getting married. Or is your sister a baby factory? Or a baby producer? Some boys do say everybody come here to hustle. Some women to say everybody's come here to hustle. If everybody come here to hustle, my brother, then stay your own. And hustle for your money. Don't hustle with another person's daughter. Don't hustle with another person's son. Because my parents, they are expecting something for me to feed. Likewise, your parents too, they are expecting something for you to feed. It takes me and my husband to sit there and say, honey, how are we going to do these people now? We will sit down and I will send this one to my people. That is a relationship. Don't expect woman to be I don't know what you men want them to be. Then you will not respect them. Some men say their wives, they know their girlfriends and they are still there petting you to stay one place. That one, is it life? If somebody give your sister pregnant first she born, it's a mistake, we know. Second she born, third she born, fourth she born, and you are still sitting there. You say you don't have money, but you have that thing to do baby factory. Go and, not by wearing wedding gown or anything, go and pay her bride price. Take drink, go to the father, say, I want to marry this woman. Because she's the person that gives you somebody that you are with. Many single mother today, many things make them single mother. There is single mother by maybe their husband died. You are a single mother. Or you are a widow. There is single mother that you got pregnant along friendship. The man say you don't want the pregnancy, but you decide to keep the pregnancy because you don't want to do abortion tomorrow. You cannot give birth again. That is single mother. There is also single mother of fine boy, because this man, okay, there is also single mother for chasing fine boys. Some men say they don't know the particular person where get the pregnant, where their girlfriend carry, but they just carry and put down for their head. Maybe if you do DNA test, you go they run different DNA tests, you go they run 5 different people at a time. That is also single mother. So I don't know the rules of single mother you are playing with. Some men too, they love those single mother, they marry them, they keep them in the house, and those single mother, they still born for them. They will take care of the kids, the one they born and the one they are not the father of it. Child is a child. Children are children. It depends how you treat your woman. It depends how you treat your men. Most thing that is this my topic today is that it's only for girls. Some men, they will tell you, I don't like this girl close to you. You are still following that person. You don't know why that man tell you, say you don't want this person. Men, they cannot tell you everything. Some girls self, whatever you drink is a problem for them. They envy you. Because we are living in the world of enviness and nobody is safe. Don't look at me that I'm good. They are taking good care of me. No. You don't know how, whether today self, if I have food to eat in my house. I cannot come and tell you if I eat or if I don't eat. I will never come and tell you. I have my means of taking care of myself. Don't see a man that is suffering for a life. You are calling that person that is a fool. No man is a fool. No man is a weak killer. It's just by time. Some people, they will make it after they have given birth. Some people, they will make it even before they give birth. Some people say it's their children that will help them in future. You don't know every destiny of any man. If my husband is I know today, can approach a woman years back and the person will look down on him. If they tell the person that today he will become who he is now, he will not believe it. Because of what? I try to sit down to work things together. I try to sit down to tell him that this life does not end here. I try to make him know that today, you don't know about tomorrow. I try to let him know that the condition you see yourself today, you are a greatest person. Even though if you don't let pastor prophesy for you, tomorrow you will be a millionaire. Prophesy it to your man. Prophesy it to your husband. Pray for him. Any woman who has anger, we are like oracle. If a woman begin to get angry with a man, that man can never progress. Leave everything aside. Leave everything aside. Just make sure that you pray for your man. Take it as a work. Pray for that man. Always pray for him. Always pray for him. You will see changes. I'm telling you. Pray with your good heart. Pray with everything you have. Always pray for him. I want to give somebody wants, is writing me private. He want to call me. Let me call out my number. You understand? Always pray for him. Because your prayer works wonders. You are like a mother to him. This Europe that we are inside now, we come here to help one another. We come here to help one another. Okay, I will send it now. This is my number, 351 351 15 89 109. You understand? So that is the thing. Don't let anybody take you for granted, and don't keep too much friend close to your family. Mostly these married women are you people I'm talking to, because even your fellow married women self, they are not happy with you. As their husband is treating them, it's not the way your own is treating you. How can somebody be doing wedding and you say you are that person's friend and you are videoing the person, everything? Is it not common that give them that date of court wedding? Eh? It's common that give them. Please, guess, you people should be very careful in this European continent, European country that we come. Be very, 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 very careful. No, call me with that one I sent for you. Yes, I send you one now. Call me with that one. Or should I call it back? He's writing me here. Hello? Call me with that number I sent for you. I don't know how to pin number here. Okay, no problem. Yeah, maybe I will write it on message. Yes. Okay, I will write it for you later. Okay, okay, no problem. Yes, I don't know how to do it. Maybe I will. Please, anybody know how to pin number for for on top of this thing? Because I don't know. Somebody should help me, I beg. If you know, say yes, I beg. I need to give person this number. I want to call him. Because I don't know how to do it. Unless I will go offline, I will still come back again. Maybe. Okay, write it down now. 351 158 9109. Yes, 351 15 89 109. Yeah. Yes, it's correct. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So my lovely people, thank you for watching. Always play safe and always be good to one another. Please don't think evil for anybody. Be nice, be good. Respect yourselves and respect your man and respect people around you. Don't insult anybody. Don't be too proud of yourself. Always do the right things at the right time and see how God bless you like never before. I love you guys. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. Maybe by 4 o'clock I'll be coming live. I have something to, there's some issue that is bothering someone that she wants us to help her to know exactly what to do, because me, I don't know it all. Okay, and if you never subscribe, please go to my YouTube channel. Already I've never started much doing anything much there. It's Crown Queen TV Talk Show. It's my YouTube channel. Just subscribe for me and let's work together. Advertise your business, advertise anything you want. If you are a hairdresser, if you are a makeup artist, anything that you are doing, if you are staying close to Italy, please share this video to your friends. Let me know. We will help each other and we will work together. But if you are doing wedding, if you are doing any wedding or occasion, cake, you are in Italy or anywhere, I go to anywhere, I will do the work for you. I am a decorator, I am a tailor, and I am also a cook. So anyone that I can do for you, just let me know. I will be there for you. I love you guys. Ciao. My video don't want to go, right? You people don't want me to go. Hey, I don't know what happened. I don't know what really happened. I need to save the video, but it's not saving. I don't know. I don't know what's really happening.